Hello guys, I will show you how to connect the DMX winch and the LED screen. Firstly, there are two power cables in here. Use one power cable connect the put-in socket as the main power supply. Use the other power cable connect the put-out socket in here. In series, connect the DMX winch. Then, connect the signal cable in here. Now, connect the network cable in here. Pay attention to the LED signal from the socket to the LED screen by the integrated network in the lifting cable. The DMX winch no process the signal. The network cable, the other side, connect the video processor. Finally, we connect the LED screen. Use power cable, connect here. Use network cable, connect here. All finished. Turn on. The LED screen will light.